While for many, the flip phone has been replaced with a more modern design, Samsung has revealed a new model it hopes will rekindle the market. A new video showing what seems to be a leaked version of Samsung's new W2018 flip phone has surfaced on YouTube. The phone, set to be sold in China from December 1, 2017, has screen displays on either side of the flip part and a sleek metallic design. The back of the phone has a camera as well as a fingerprint and heart rate scanner. While the phone does not have an official name as yet, it's been referred to as the W2018 since rumors of its imminent release began circulating 2-3 months ago, according to the leaker. The YouTube video of the phone was initially posted on Chinese social media website Weibo, although it cannot be confirmed with certainty whether it is indeed the phone. But just last week, photos of what is believed to be the device were also leaked. The video showcases the dual displays feature, which means either side of the flip phone part of the phone has a screen, both of which are touch screens. The handheld part of the phone has a physical, backlit 15-button keypad with a circular navigation button. The main camera is thought to shoot 12 megapixels, while the front-facing camera will have a 5-megapixel capacity. The phone does not have a standard 3.5mm audio jack, and it's not clear whether it will only offer Bluetooth headphone connectivity or a specialized headphone/charger port. It's not yet clear what the phone's storage capacity will be, but it's rumored to have 64 GB of internal flash memory, which can be expanded with a microSD card by up to 256 GB. There are speakers along the bottom of the phone, and the phone is rumored to have the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 system on chip. While the phone is set to go on sale on December 1 in China, it is not yet clear when it will go on sale in other countries or what its price point will be. A recent trend observed by Mail Online has seen classic 1990s models by Nokia, Ericsson, and Motorola commanding four-figure sums on eBay and other resale sites. While they may lack features, these retro phones are simple to use, have batteries that last the week, and are practically indestructible compared to their smartphone equivalents. Some people don't blink at the prices. We have models at more than €1,000, £810 or $1,360, said Jassim Haddad, who started the site Vintage Mobile. In 2009. The high prices are due to the difficulty in finding those models, which were limited editions in their time. French online shop Lecky, which sells a range of vintage, revamped mobile phones, claims simplicity is the way forward. Because of its striking appearance and thin profile, The Raz was initially marketed as an exclusive fashion phone, but it was not until a year later, when the price was dropped, it became a huge success, selling over 50 million units by July 2006 to many online social networks, and an excess of email and applications have made us slaves to technology in our everyday life, it said on its website. We have two types of profiles. The 25 to 35-year-olds attracted by the retro and offbeat side of a telephone that is a little different, and those who are nostalgic for the phone that they used when they were younger, said Maxim Chanson, who founded Lecky in 2010. Some use it to complement their smartphone, but others are going for the vintage, tired of the technology race between the phone makers.